Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Creativity and Inspiration. I'm Lisa. Today we're talking about budget-friendly ways to add that fall feeling to your home that are simple and easy and don't take a lot of time. The first way is just to buy inexpensive decor that you can get at Hobby Lobby, Walmart, or anywhere else. On a budget, you can buy pumpkins from Dollar Tree. These are the ugly orange styrofoam ones. I simply covered them with scrapbook paper and created custom pumpkins that, give that real high-end feel, but definitely on a budget. I painted the tops to them, and yeah. Lastly, I took a vintage cheese grater, cut out my own felt shapes, added some ribbon, and boom, a very custom but very inexpensive fall decor piece. These are very simple ways to add a big fall impact to your home, and they're very budget friendly. Thanks for being with me, and hey, remember to come back on Wednesday. I have a great video coming for you. Don't miss it.